Dog Brain!
The flying ace has got the enemy in his sights. Ready, aim, fire. Oh no! What's this? It looks like the flying ace is suffering from technical difficulties. What is he going to do? Don't worry, Snoopy. You'll be up and running in no time. Oh, all right then. I don't know what's going on either, Franklin. Snoopy's being very mysterious. Oh no, Snoopy. What's happened? Are you okay? When will you be taken to the skies again? You fixed your plane and you're going to show it off tomorrow at the fun fair? Oh, Snoopy, how exciting! Roll up, ladies and gentlemen, for you are about to witness a feat of engineering so great you won't believe your eyes. Please look up into the sky for the greatest air show you have ever seen. Now, folks, we are about to witness the triple barrel roll into a nosedive. This has never been attempted by any man, woman, or beagle before. Woodstock, no! That's one way of crashing the party, Snoopy.